We're here this morning. It's kind of brief and urgent. Probably to some of us sprung a surprise on a lot of us. But it has come to the attention of the DECR, the government in general, that we have to do something about these invasive species, and we have to do something fast. We need to act very rapidly.
The conference was held to discuss the various different forms of non-native species in the Turks and Caicos Islands, both animal and plant, that pose a threat to the native environment of the Turks and Caicos. Currently, according to the DECR, there are 26 known invasive alien species recorded in the Turks and Caicos.
And just to give you an idea where we are, and this is just for invasive species in overseas territories, of course, Bermuda takes the cake. And that may be a little bit of the fact that they have had a longer time and they have done a lot more research work into identifying the species. So don't think that they are way ahead of us. The figure seems a lot, but I think we have a little bit of underreporting.
Two of these species that were mainly discussed that are not native to the Turks and Caicos but are found living here and threatening our local animal and plant population are the lionfish and the pine tortoise scale.
As of the last visit with the Pine Recovery Working Group in February, we estimate that throughout the Turks and Caicos, over 90% now are dead. It's estimated that from the time the scale was recognized until from 2005 until the present, that's when the majority of the die-off occurred. And the problem is that the stress from the insect damage not only kills the trees, but it also results in fewer seeds being able to be produced and fewer adult trees to cross-pollinate those few trees that are left.
Not only this, but most importantly, the conference focused on how the transportation of foreign species can be discontinued or controlled from entering into the country. The phytosanitary requirements of the Turks and Caicos was the main presentation. Renshaw Welcome, a representative of the Environmental Health Department, highlighted many of the already put in place laws to ensure safe and clean importing and exporting of products.
As we go on, a phytosanitary certificate is a document issued by a plant protection official of national government to facilitate the international movement of plant or plant products.
For more information regarding the subject of invasive species to the Turks and Caicos, feel free to contact the DECR at 946-4017.